Here's a wonderful little top screen. So what we've done is to replace the existing cap on an IBC Tote with a unit that already has the screen molded into it. This screen is an extremely tight weave which will keep your insects from migrating in and out. Literally it goes on the top of the tank, pushes down into place, and now when you bring your downpipe over, make sure that you've got clearance here so that when you go to pop this off and go and take it and backwash it, clean it and service it, that you're able to easily get it back into place without damaging or having to move your piece of downpipe. So this is the IBC Tote screen that literally just snugly fits with a little push fit right on top of your existing IBC Tote to allow your rainwater to go right in. And this is a 3x4 piece of downpipe. So you can see that it does fit. And again, make sure that you've got clearance to be able to get that unit off the top of there in order to service it.